The most easiest way you can start an online business that you can actually scale to lots of money is by starting a t-shirt business. This method is completely free and you do not necessarily need a design skill to get started with this method and start making money now. I, for one, didn't have any design skills when I started with this method a few months ago and made some money with it. Many people are pulling into thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars with only one design. So if you want to get a piece of that pie, just watch this full tutorial and learn to do this method for completely free. Okay guys, so the first thing we need to do is to go over Etsy Hunt. Just go ahead and type Etsy Hunt on your computer, or you can go into the description of this video and find the link which will take you to the page. Then we go to Etsy Hunt and we will create an account on it. If you already have an account, you can just log in. Like me, I have an account, so I will just log in into my account. Once you are here, we're gonna click on Etsy Hunt database, and then you're gonna click Etsy product database right here. After you click into the Etsy Hunt product database, we're gonna type t-shirt. At the release time, we're gonna choose 1 year. So now it's gonna present to us the best selling t-shirts that they have. Like within 7 days, this t-shirt sold 231 t-shirts $1 with $1 with $7. The total sales is like 7,156. That's the total sales. What we want is like the recent best-selling t-shirt within 7 days. Like if we calculate this calculator, we can see that they made like 6,156 times $7. They made a revenue of $43,090. That's huge. So we can go with these Christmas ones. You see these titles and description, it looks like it works for them. So we can later on copy it to our settings also and modify a little bit and put some of our descriptions. Open your note, just open your note and write the wordings, right? Sorry, open a new one. Just copy the writings in the t-shirt, on the t-shirt that you choose. Okay, I'll just copy it and I'll be back to you right now. Okay guys, after copying the text, like it may not necessarily be as equal as that one. You can put your own style and your writings, but what we want is like to get the best of the best sellings in 7 days. So they are the best, so we are just copying it a little bit so that we can also get started. Now once you have the design ideas, we are gonna have to create these designs. So to create these designs, go over to Google again and type canva.com, or you can go to the description of this video. You can find it here as well. After in Canva, if you don't have an account, just create one. It's free. So after going to Canva, you're gonna hit create a design and you go over to personalized design. So you're just gonna put 4,500 sorry, by 5,100, then hit create design. After you click on that, it's gonna take you to this page, this blank page, which is the place that we are gonna create our design. So the first thing you need to do is to add a text. Go ahead and click add text and go ahead and click enter the title. Then we're just gonna copy the names of the t-shirt we just created. Gonna copy, then paste. Let's edit a little bit. I'll just put bold. The next thing we need to do is to change the font size or the font. right? Just go ahead and click where it says Open Sans and choose the font that you want. Let me see. Okay, let's go with this. After you choose the font, just resize it so that it stays on the chest or the middle. After doing that, the next thing we are going to do is to add some elements. So go ahead and click elements and go ahead and click search elements and put the name of the type of t-shirt you are doing. I'm gonna put Christmas. As you can see, there are lots of elements of Christmas, so we're gonna just click graphic elements and we're gonna see lots of graphics. Okay guys, it's done. So after finishing your design, what you need to do now is to download your design. So go ahead and click share. Go ahead and click transparent background. But actually in the free Canva you cannot use the transparent background, but you can actually try it for free trial for 30 days. You can use all the content of the under pro level without paying anything, so it's still free. Okay, the other way you can do this is by going to remove background.com, remove background.bg is one of the sites that can actually remove for free. Also, we can also go for that way. Choose PNG format and go download. Download is ready. We're just gonna go to remove background and click here and download. Now our background is removed. Our design is now ready. Once our design is ready, what we're gonna do now is to insert your design on a t-shirt. And don't worry, you don't have to go and look for a t-shirt to buy to insert your design on and ship it out. No, you will not do any of that, because there is a company that actually does that for you, and the name of that company is Printify. The benefit of using Printify is that Printify handles the printing of your design into your t-shirt, and once the customer actually buys the product, ships out to the customer. So the only thing you have to do is upload your design onto a t-shirt, and Printify will do everything for you. So it's absolutely free. So go ahead and search for Printify on your computer. So once on Printify, we're going to click start for free. People that don't have an account, you're gonna just sign up. I will just log in because I already have an account. Once you are on Printify, you're gonna go to catalog, click on the catalog, then click on t-shirts here. After clicking to t-shirts, it will show all various type of t-shirts that you can put your design on. You can actually analyze all the various type of t-shirts that they have. Just look at the costs and choose one. After choosing the t-shirt you're going to sell on, there are important stuffs you must look out, like the shipping price, the production time, the printing areas, the price, right, the total price, and the location. All these factors help you to decide which t-shirt is the best to put your design on. So after doing that, you can just go ahead and start designing. Click on start designing, and then voila, it's gonna take you to this page where you can insert the design we just made in Canva. Go ahead and click upload. We're gonna upload our design here, my device, and then just click the design you just made. Okay guys, here's the thing. If you have chosen the free trial on Canva and downloaded the transparent version, then it will appear directly right on the right size of this square, but if you want to remove background, then will come at this size. So you need to adjust to the sizing of your t-shirt. So we're just gonna increase a little bit like this so that it stays in the same size of the t-shirt. Okay, just like this. Okay, so once you have done that, you're just gonna go hit preview so that we can analyze our t-shirt. All the options, all the sizes, and all the formats that they preview, just like this. Just wait, my internet is a little bit slow. So you can go back to edit and choose the colors you want to add into your variant. Select 2 or 3 colors because you never want to give customers so much choices, so that you may not end up like not sell anything. So I'll just go for yellow. Nah, yellow, not, no, it's not good. Just go for blue, right? Okay, blue, and this green here. Yeah, maybe this. Yeah, these 3 colors. After doing that, you can go ahead and save product. Once you save the product, you're going to edit your listings. So we're gonna go back to our chosen product here, copy the title. Just gonna copy the title here, and we'll go back to our design down here, and we'll put the title here and the description. Just go ahead and copy the description. Okay, after copy, you can just go back and paste. Oh no. Okay, you can just paste. Good. You may alter some things. You cannot do like 100% what they did, what the guy did. So we can alter some little stuffs in your way. This is just an example. Okay, now for the part you've all been waiting for, the money. How do you get your sweet juicy money? Well, the first thing we need to do is to change the pricing. So go ahead, scroll down to pricing. You can see that the inventory, there's the inventory multiple, the retail. This retail price is the price the customer will see. So so the Printify recommends you to sell for $21 to $25. Your profit will be $8 to $10, and the production cost is $12, and the shipping cost is $4. So make sure to not go overboard. Choose a price that will benefit you and the customers as well. Okay, so I'll go ahead and put just $25 or 24.99, right? uh, I'll just edit to put like to so that every product will be at the same price, 25.99. that is $25. Apply to all. So my margin will be $9 to $12. So it's a pretty good revenue for a start, right? You don't want to push so much. After that, you're just gonna hit publish, but for you it's gonna appear probably connect to your store. But no worries, because Printify offers you a lot of options. Like there's eBay, there's Shopify, there is even Etsy as well, which are very easy to create. If you don't have a store, I recommend you to start with Shopify, which link to that is on the description of this video, and you will create a store in less than 10 minutes, absolutely for free. The only money you will pay just $1 after 3 days trial, and you will have your store completely for free. So hit publish. After publish, and it's done, you can go to the platform you choose to go, whether it's Shopify, whether it's other platforms or other or your stores, and you can edit your product there. Now, guys, you have learned how to find your best selling design at Etsy. You have learned also how to edit or to create your design in Canva, how to put your design in on your shirt in Printify, and you have also learned how to import into your platform where you sell it. Now, for the selling, I recommend you to start with organic sales as a beginner, because with organic sales you can also create platforms in accounts such as, whether it is in Instagram and Facebook, or in Pinterest, because you want to show that your design, you want to get people to love your designs. After you get people to love your designs, is that you use paid ads. So before throwing money at this, you want to make sure that your design is well accepted by the people. um, and now that we have done this, I want to tell you guys that this is an actual business. You can't go like 50% with this method. You have to be committed, create a plan and execute, so that you may have a lot of results. If this video was helpful for you, just click the like button and comment and share, because if you want more videos like this, you just comment and give the like. I appreciate for you being here. Yeah, peace.